Hello viewer, now I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The display of this smartphone is 6.7-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X. The refresh rate 120 has a HDR10 plus and the brightness of the display of this smartphone is 1750 nits pixels. The screen to body ratio 85.9%. The resolution of the display 1080 by 2640 pixels. PPI density 425. The cover display of this smartphone is 3.4-inch Super AMOLED. The resolution of the cover display of this smartphone is 720 by 748 pixels. The PPI density of the cover display 306. The operating system of this smartphone is Android 13 One UI 5.1.1. The chipset of this smartphone is Snapdragon 8 Generation 4 NM. CPU octa-core and the GPU Adreno 740. Now I am telling about the memory of this smartphone. Card slot is not available. The internal memory are available of different type and the 8GB RAM is available of this smartphone. UFS 4.0. Now I am telling about the main camera of this smartphone are dual camera. The feature of the main camera LED flash HDR and panorama. The video of the main camera of this smartphone 4K into 60 fps, 1080p into 240 fps, 720 into 960 fps HDR10 plus. The selfie camera of this smartphone is a single camera. The feature of the selfie camera HDR. The video of the selfie camera 4K into 30 fps. Now I am telling about the sound of this smartphone. Low speaker is available with the stereo speaker and the 3.5mm jack is not available of this smartphone. The Wi-Fi 802.11 tri-band Wi-Fi direct. The Bluetooth 5.3 A2DP LE. The charging port of this smartphone USB Type-C 3.0 OTG. The battery of this smartphone 3700 nano-movable. The charging wire of this smartphone 25W and the wireless charging of this smartphone 15W and 4.5W reverse wireless charging of this smartphone. The 5G technology is available of this smartphone. The SIM slot is available of this smartphone nano SIM and eSIM. IP68 dust water resistant up to 1.5 minutes for 30 minutes. There are a different prices are available in the different country. The line data was announced of this smartphone 26 July 2023. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.